Howdy cowboys and welcome back to build log number 2. This is now the second build log. We stopped when we screwed these things in the CPU block, and you hear a dog in the background. That was my dog. I hope you don't hear it, but maybe I can cut it out or something. So yeah, now screw them hard on, so there is no air between the CPU and the CPU cooler. It takes some time. Always cross screw in. Crosswise screwing, it's important to get the cooling everywhere. Okay, now we plug the USB 2 cable in for the CPU cooler, so we can see on the computer what temperatures we have and what the speed of the fans is and stuff like this. And then we connect the two fans, but first connect the fan header from the CPU block to the motherboard. You don't have to do it first, but I did it first. Right now I tried to put some to make some cable management. It's pretty hard, like I said in build log 1 already. It's hard to make a good cable management on this motherboard, and then I just saw that will not work because graphics card and the PCI Express slot. Okay, after that's done, connect the USB again because I put the cable under the USB, and then connect the two fans. So I'm actually recording this build log 2 now a week after I got the water cooling, and I have to say I'm happy. I don't get the temperatures I wanted. So the coolest temperatures I got were 63. I mean, I know I overclocked it to 4.3 right now, but the temperatures are not that great for a water cooling. I expected more, maybe because I only screwed it in with my fingers and not with the screwdriver. Okay, right now you cannot see much, sadly, but I'm opening the other side of the case now, and there you already can see like cables coming out of the case. So this will be not so long because you cannot see much. I'm just connecting all the fans right now. There you can see a little bit of cable management. And the good thing on this case is you have extra cable, how do you call that? It's not zip ties, it's like you put your cables in there and they are fast. I forgot how you say that. I'm sorry. Now I use the scissor just to cut open the zip tie on the ground because I connected my fan cable on this little. Now I can remove the white fan from the front because I don't use it anymore, because the fans, as I said already in build log 1, are not that great. But I will change some of the stuff anyway next weekend, so for you this weekend, because the fans, I connected the fans from the water cooling inside the case, so they pull, but I want to have them in push and the other one that I control with the case on pull. So maybe I get then better temperatures, and of course screw with my screwdriver the water block in. Okay, there you see the fans I got, and I'm gonna connect them now, screw them now all in. So these fans are actually pretty good fans when you have them on low speed. When you turn them up like 20% in Command Center, in MSI Command Center, they make like a, not a beep noise, but it's like, yeah, like a plane. It sounds like a plane, but you will hear it on the end of this video when I make the sound test. Okay, after you screwed all the fans in, try to make the best cable management possible so it looks clean. I tried it too. First I tried to put this fan hub I have right here in my hands. Take the fan hub and connect it all the fans.
Loading statistics. Please hold. There are 164 ongoing crimes in your area.
So after you're done connecting all the fans to the fan hub and screw all the fans in the case, I put the side panel on again, and now we look for a good spot for the fan hub. Yeah, now we are almost done. Just make the last cable management. And then we can put the side cover on because all the fans are connected. Graphics card. Okay, graphics card is connected, power cable for the graphics card is connected, so we are ready to put the side cover on, I think. Right now I'm screwing the bottom fan in, because I forgot that almost. Okay, now we are done. This video is almost over. Now I'm flipping the case and then we will see us again when I have the side cover on and the computer running the first time. But I think the video makes a little cut now. I will add this right now. Okay, so I don't know what the background noise is now, but everything is connected. Everything should work. I connected all the hard drives. Maybe I have to go into the BIOS because I connected the USB the first time on this motherboard. So this might be, might change the boot device. So I start this computer now, and then we will see how loud it is when I changed it. And yeah, let's see. Okay, the fans are all working, and it's pretty windy in here. The screen is showing. Yeah, that's what I thought. So we're gonna restart the computer. Press 11 on the keyboard. For me it is F11. Okay, we should enter the setup so we can change the first boot device. Is my mouse working now? Yes, my mouse is working. So first we have to change this to my hard drive. Should be, okay, here it is. Boot option 1. Is this one, yeah, and that's it. So now we go back, click this, save and reset, and now it should show something else when I did everything right. Okay, the fans are turning up now. Yeah, here we see it works. Everything works perfectly. So you saw I made push-pull, and here's one fan that blows up. They blow, I mean they don't really blow, but they should blow in this direction. This one's blow down and this sucks out, and this from the door should blow out too. So yeah, I will see you inside the desktop again to see what the temperatures are and change a little bit of the fan speed. Until then, bye. Okay, back now, running the computer on 4.2 gigahertz speed. You see the temperatures right here. I will record this anyway on the desktop later. But yeah, this is now the lowest noise you can have on when all the fans are like very low. You cannot hear anything. When the door is on it, the only thing you can hear are the hard drives, the pump when you have it on full speed. And yeah, I mean, the graphics card fans, they are not even turning because they don't have to. What else should I say? We have now here push-pull. I said that before, like we have no flash on, but can you see that? No, you cannot. Okay, now you can see it. So here we have two fans that blow in, but I will change it because they are not controlled from this fan controller. So I will put this ones in the front and the other one in the back. I mean, it makes not much difference, but yeah, that's how this is. I put this fan right there. Don't ask me why, just for the, it makes a little bit blow into this direction. This one blows down, but they don't really blow because I have them on very low. They are only on 5% in MSI Command Center, but I will show you some tricks on that anyway. So yeah, this is lowest, highest, you will see after that. I will not talk to this, but yeah, then I see you in the desktop. Bye. Okay, now we are on the desktop. Welcome on the desktop to some software showing how this all works. I mean, downloading is not hard. You just put in Corsair link in Google and you get this software right here. That's the new version. There's an old version too, where you can see it a little bit different. This is MSI Command Center. Every motherboard has different kind of software for that. But here on the right side, you can change the system fan and the CPU fan. And yeah, you see right here, that's like not normal because they don't want you to put it lower than 50. I don't know why. In the BIOS it's 25, here is it 50, but you actually can change it, yeah. When you make a profile here, like you save and then you make a profile, blah blah, system fan, you see all my different modes. Then you go to your documents, scroll down and see this. And then you see system smart mode, minimal speed, maximum speed, low temp and high temp. You cannot care about this one, that's stupid. But minimal speed is 10, max speed is 100. So every time it gets hotter than wanted, it turns up. But the most time they are low. So right now you see 330 RPM, that's the lowest the fans can get. They are almost standing. When I put my finger there, immediately it stops. So yeah, this is this. And here, this is the Corsair Link software. Normally you come to this one and it looks different. It should be red, I think. I changed it to green. There you can see the temperatures for motherboard, CPU, hard drive. I don't know what that is. If this is the radiator or if it is something else. But here you can change the LEDs to different colors. I mean, you cannot see it, but when I press apply now, the LED, the Corsair LED is blue now. And you can take all the 16 point, I don't know how many LEDs and just press apply and it is red now. So yeah, that's pretty amazing, but I put it to green. Okay, apply, okay. So yeah, now it is green. Looks pretty nice. Only when you have a door, a window, not like me. So yeah, here you can see also the graphics card temperature, 64 degrees. I don't even know why it is so hot, but okay. So here you see every temperature again, and here you can make your own speed, like mine is on custom now, 25%. So pretty low. You should not let this be on pretty low when you play with games. Then I have it on, I think I'm on quiet right now. Here you can change fast changing, you can make your own profile, but I have like performance, balanced, quiet. When you put performance in, of course, LED color change, pump goes on high, and the fans turn up. Is this the highest? No, this is the highest. So yeah, this is pretty loud. I think you can hear that too, because they turn up pretty high, 2700 RPM, that's pretty fast. And they blow actually very much. That's why I want to change this. Okay, put it to performance again, put it to quiet. So yeah, that's I think it. You saw the videos. You will after this video you will see on highest. I will not talk to this because I recorded it last week and I don't think I have to talk over it. You just hear like every fan on my case is on highest. I mean the loudest is of course the graphics card, but yeah, that's on loudest. And I hope you like this build log from me and tell me if I should do something different. I mean, for the next one, maybe in a couple of years. Of course, you can change your own picture because right now this is like the original Fractal design, but Corsair only has Corsair cases, of course. But I put my Fractal design in there, so you can put your own case picture in there. And if you have a good motherboard, not like me, you can see where all the fans are connected and stuff. That's pretty nice. I cannot do that, but I don't care because I have like my fan controller right here and can control at once. So yeah, if you like this, give it a like. I hope I see you in the next video. It will be American Truck Simulator. Maybe American Truck Simulator comes before this one. I'm not sure. But yeah, until then, bye.